Today, I'm going to show you how to add multiple products on one page in Shopify. This is a great way to showcase several items together, whether you're creating a curated collection or want to display your best sellers in one convenient spot for customers to browse. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Shopify admin dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Products. This section is where all your inventory and product management happens, and it's the starting point for creating your multi-product page. Under the Products menu, you'll see several options appear. Click on Collections. Collections are essentially groups of products that you can organize however you like, making it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, click on Add Collection. This button will let you create a brand new collection from scratch. You'll be prompted to name your collection. Go ahead and give it a descriptive name like multiple products or whatever makes sense for your store. This name will help you identify it later when you're working with your theme. Next, scroll down to the products section within your collection settings. Click on Browse to see all available products in your store. From here, select the products that you want to display on this page. You can choose as many as you need. Once you've made your selections, click Add to include them in your collection. This step is important because it determines exactly which products will appear when customers view this page. Now, head back to the left side menu and click on Online Store. This is where you'll manage your store's appearance and layout. You'll see your current theme displayed here, right beside your theme. Click on Edit Theme. This takes you into the theme editor where you can customize how your store looks to visitors. Once inside the theme editor, look to the left side of the screen and click on Add Section. A menu will appear with various section options you can add to your page. From this menu, click on Featured Collection. This section type is specifically designed to showcase a group of products beautifully. On the right side of the screen, you'll now see customization options for your Featured Collection section. Look for the field labeled Collection and click on Select. A list of all your collections will appear. Choose the collection that we just created, the one named Multiple Products or whatever you named it earlier. Just below that, you'll see an option for product count. This setting controls how many products will be visible on the page at once. You can set this to 25, which is the maximum number Shopify allows for this section. This ensures visitors can see a substantial selection without having to click through multiple pages. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click the Save button at the top of the screen. This finalizes all your changes and makes them live on your store. And that's it. You've successfully created a page displaying multiple products in one collection on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.